She's like a little old lady with a fluffy
Uh-oh.
hat.
Oop.
Careful.
Oh, gotta keep it on the sidewalk. Okay, this is...
Megan, you look so cute.
Here, actually, give me Ziggy. You monitor her so I can do this. Got it. It's just a car alarm, Megan. It's okay. Whee! Hi, sweetie. Look at you go. Whee! Careful. Don't go too fast. Oh. Oh.
Hey, I don't know about your driving skills.
Oh my God. She's going to be walking really soon.
Yeah.
Look at you. Do you want to turn around? Woo! Watch front, watch in front. You're not looking forward.
Look, I thought you...
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh.
Off-roading. Oh my God. Whoa. Okay, do you want to get on top of the bus? Right on top?
On the sit.
Turn it around so we go back the other way now.
Careful, careful, careful. Let's turn it. You want to push or sit?
Oh. Oh, oh, oh. That's okay.
Come.
You're going backwards. Where are you going? No, go to Sarah.
Come here.
Go forward.
Oh. That's not a good idea.
There you go. She's like, well, I can go faster backward. Good job.
It's too slow. It's too, I think it's too slow.
Her cousins were pushing her when they were here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I actually don't know if I got it that time or not. Whee!
Oh.
Whoa! It's okay. Good girl. Whoa! Oh, oh, oh! Off-roading. Let me get these things.
Yeah.
Look at you! Whoa, you're going downhill. Okay. Okay, we have to turn around now. Okay, let's turn around. Good, there we go. Good, Megan. Is that a little uphill there? Oh, I don't want to film that. Whoa! What are you trying to do, sweetie? Yeah. An example of how not to drive. Now this is what I don't want it to look like. Okay. She's actually not doing too badly.
Very good.
Oh my gosh, Megan, you're doing such a good job, sweetie.
You can see she's got a little pouch.
I know.